me for another quick and easy recipe. Today we're going to be making these Greek deviled eggs. They're a lighter version of the original and you'll be so glad because they are just so addicting. You cannot just eat one. I want to give a big thank you to my friend Dimitra for showing me this recipe. Tora pamenar hisume. Let's get started. To make these Greek deviled eggs, you want to start off by boiling your eggs. Place about 6 eggs into your small pot. Cover them with water and bring them up to a boil. Allow the eggs to simmer for 20 minutes, then drain and rinse the eggs with some ice water and pop these into the fridge to cool them down and firm them back up. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on my quick and easy recipes. I post every other day. Once you're ready to assemble the eggs, peel off all the shells and slice them in half, removing the yolks from the middle and placing them into a bowl. You want to smash up all of these egg yolks until they're crumbly and no longer have any big chunks. And I'm gonna make the mixture to these deviled eggs by combining a bit of fresh chopped dill, a half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. This is gonna be substituted for the mayonnaise, which is typically used when making deviled eggs. I'm then going to be adding about a half a teaspoon of yellow mustard and a small piece of crumbled Feta cheese. These take the eggs to a whole other level. Mix this all up well and be sure to season this with some salt and pepper. Add a bit more yogurt if you need. You want this to be a nice and smooth texture. Now fill this mixture back into those egg whites and use a Ziploc bag or this small ice cream scoop like I'm using today. This is a very simple appetizer that's ready to enjoy. These Greek deviled eggs are so fresh and delicious. It's a unique taste from the originals, which will have everybody going back for more. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes.